In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram posts in bulk using ChatGPT and Canva. If you want to save time and create a full batch of content without designing every post one by one, this workflow is a simple and efficient way to do it. You'll use ChatGPT to generate the written content, then bring everything into Canva so multiple post designs can be created automatically. Start by opening ChatGPT and choosing your Instagram niche or topic. This is the foundation of your content, so be clear about what kind of audience you want to reach. For example, your niche could be fitness, skincare, business tips, travel, motivation, or anything else relevant to your brand or content strategy. The more specific your topic is, the more useful and focused the results will be. Once you've chosen your niche, ask ChatGPT to create multiple post ideas, captions, or short tips related to that topic. This is where you build the actual content for your carousel posts, quote graphics, educational posts, or promotional designs. If needed, refine the output so the tone matches your brand voice and the content feels consistent across all posts. After that, copy the generated content into a spreadsheet. Keep the information organized clearly so each row represents one post and each column contains the text you want Canva to place into the design. A clean spreadsheet will make the next part much easier and reduce the chance of formatting issues later. Now open Canva and choose an Instagram post template. Pick a design that fits your brand style and works well for repeated content. It's a good idea to use a layout with clearly defined text areas, since those will be connected to the spreadsheet data during the bulk creation process. Next, use Canva's bulk create feature to upload the spreadsheet. This allows Canva to read the content you prepared and match it with the design template. Once the spreadsheet is uploaded, connect the text fields in your template to the correct columns from the spreadsheet. Take your time here because accurate field matching is what ensures each design is populated properly. After everything is connected, generate multiple Instagram posts automatically. Canva will create a separate version of the design for each row of content in your spreadsheet, which can save a huge amount of time compared to creating each graphic manually. Finally, review each post carefully, make any edits needed, and download the final designs. Check for text alignment, spacing, and overall readability so your posts look polished and professional before publishing.